Welcome to Heriamonde classes. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the grammar topic prepositions. And so many prepositions are there in English language, and And some prepositions are looking to say, and the meaning will be same, but different situations we should use. And in the previous video, I have told about the in and at. And in and at for looking and meaning are same. So when we are using in the sentences, they are different, huh? And they working in the different situations, different occasions, and we have already known. Means while the larger places we use in, and in some specific places we use at. So in this video I want to tell means since and from, and where we should use since and where should we use from. And since and from are looking to same, means in meaning also same. And while since we should use only in the perfect continuous tense. So and from, when we use from means in a larger sense of time, at that time we use from. And I will give you examples, and I will show some written form, and you will understand thoroughly. Okay, I will show you. Start. Grammar topic prepositions. Here we are discuss today about the from and since. And while we are using the preposition in the sentences, we should understand about the prepositions. Means when we use from and when we use since. And we should use from while we are showing long time or not accurate time or long period. Okay, and I will give you one example and it will clarify to you. From we use as following. Example I have given here. I am working as an English teacher from 20 years. Means 20 years means not time mentioned, not date mentioned, not day mentioned here. Means not accurate time. While in this way, when we express this type of the sentence, at that time we should use from. And second example I have written here. He is teaching English from 22 years. 22 years, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 22 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 22 ವರ್ಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟ್ ಸಹಿತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. 22 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 22 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ here not mentioned any date, any day, any time, means for a long time, and not accurate, from a long time, long period, and not accurate time. So this type of the sentence, in this type of the sentence we use from. And when we should use since we should use since while we are showing exact time. What I am telling, exact time. If you want to show the exact time and exact time, and we should use the this since in perfect and perfect continuous tenses. Okay, and I will give example. Here I have written example number 1. I had been living in Mumbai since 0101 to 2000. Means here date mentioned, fixed date, accurate date mentioned from 0101 means 1 January 2000. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 ಜನವರಿ 1 ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 2000 ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಮುಂಬೈದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು. ಆಶಾ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವಿ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ 9 o'clock. ನೋಡಿರಿ, 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಆಶಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ in the two sentence we have seen, in two sentences since we have used, means these sentences are perfect continuous tense, and so this shows the exact time and exact date. Exact time is there and exact date is there. So when we want to show the exact time and date and day, at that time we should use since. Okay, dear students, and in a previous video I have told you about the in and at. Means in, when we use the larger sense of area, means I live in India, and I live at Vijayanagar street in Delhi. So in this way I have told you about the prepositions. So dear students, I have told you many things about the prepositions, and I stop here. Means the showing the writing form I will stop. Okay. So, dear students, I have discussed about the prepositions like since and from, and if we get the knowledge of the when we use since and when we use from. Okay. Please, if you like our video, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. It will help us to upload our future videos. And if you want to see many more videos of mine, you should open your YouTube channel and YouTube app and type my name as Basai Harimat Classes, and you will see many more videos. And if you have any comments, doubts, you should comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.